indeed an honor for me to be with such esteemed panel. On behalf of SOCM National Council on Education, I will like to extend again my heartiest welcome to all the speakers today. And I am thankful to Maharishi Dayanand University and NBT for joining hands with us on this very important topic. As it has been told, that innovation and skill opportunities in current pandemic time, physical and psychological problems. This is the topic of the day. In last many months, we all have seen the world has stopped. And once the world has stopped, completely human being has stopped. Isolation is there, as Dr. Manish Garg was mentioning. Depression is there, anxiety is there, and uncertainty is there. And in this uncertainty, the role of our educationists, the role of NBT, because they are one of the biggest organization publishing wonderful books, and psychologist and psychiatrist, it becomes very important. So thank you very much, Neeraj, for taking this initiative, to you, to your team. If we look at the complete scenario today, what is happening? We all understand and we know that we derive our energy by meeting people around. When we meet people, when we talk to them, when we discuss with them, we derive energy from them. In last few months, when lockdown is there, when the situations are such that we are not meeting people around, that depression, anxiety has come. And this depression and anxiety we can see as an educational institute more and more in our young people. This is the biggest challenge what need to be addressed. And Professor Rajbir Singh, thank you very much that your university has taken this initiative, because our youth, our students, they need to be addressed and they need to be guided on this. You know, what I personally feel, what was the challenge? We always trained our youth to become professional with skills, not a good person with attribute. Like the whole training, if we look at the purpose of education, the purpose of being there had been that we have to have good professionals with certain skills. And what this pandemic has done, that those skills are not used. Those professional skills are not used much. We are sitting at home. A limitation has come, and we were not trained otherwise. We were not trained to fight with the anxiety. We were not trained how to work otherwise, how to look into these curiosities, all these things. And this crisis has come. So I believe we have to work in this direction more now. Like it has given us a lesson that now we have to work in this. Because professional skills, when they are not used and other skills we do not have, then crisis will be there. I was doing an informal survey among my friends and well-wishers when Neeraj talked to me that we are going to discuss on this topic. And I asked them what skill set you have developed during last few months. And I was surprised that very few of them, maybe 10% or less than 10%, they said they have developed some new technical skills. Everybody who was talking about, they talked about they have developed some life skill, emotional skill, mental skill, and they all are working in a journey, inward journey, which they were missing otherwise. And this journey needs to be guided. And I'm sure that today, during the discussion, this wonderful team of psychologists and psychiatrists, they will help us to understand that how to go inside, how to learn that thing. Books are wonderful friends for this journey. Thank you, NBT. Thank you, Yuvraj Malikji, for being us with your wonderful organization. Definitely, it is going to help. We have Jitin Nagpalji with us. And apart from being one of the leading psychiatrists, he is a part of Manodarpan. Shobit University started a psychological tele helpline in April 2020. our Center for Psychology and Human Behavior started this study helpline because we were feeling that our students, they want to talk. And I am surprised that after 13 months, still it is very relevant. We are getting a lot of calls, not only from our students, we are getting it from otherwise also. In India, we are getting, and a lot of people are calling, and especially the young boys and girls, and they are telling that we do not know what to do. Physically, we are exhausted. However, we are not doing anything. Mentally, we have anxiety, what we should do. So when this Manodarpan came, I believe this pandemic has given us a reason to see in our Manosthiti, in our Man. It has become a mirror of our ourselves. So that Manodarpan again, and it is a wonderful initiative of Ministry of Education. So such initiatives, I believe, need to be taken by other universities, also by every university, because it is not only one organization, one university initiative or ministry initiative, it is going to help much. One more thing, what is important, I was thinking like what Shobit University should do. We were discussing with the psychologists, we were discussing with other people, professionals, and we have decided that every university is giving a transcript. That transcript speaks about your professional skills, what was taught to you. I think we need to start, and at Shobit University, we are very seriously thinking about that we will start a school of gumption. Where 7 C's we will be talking, where we will be talking about curiosity, how to address it, where we will be talking about courage, how to have it, where we will be talking about compassion, how to have it, where we will be talking about commitment, and that commitment should not be only with the society, it should be with them also, where we will be talking about collaboration, calmness, and communication. These 7 C's are very important. And apart from being like, if somebody talked to me that what you learned during last few months in pandemic, I say, okay, I learned how to be tech savvy. The university should be, how we have to use technology. But the same way I say, we have to see that how we develop the skills, life skills in our boys and girls, which is very important, which is missing otherwise. So School of Gumption, we are thinking of starting with 7 C's, and a second transcript will be given to all the students. And why I'm sharing this thing, because I wish through this platform, this message should go to all our educational institutions. The first transcript, which speak about our professional skills, is fine. But with AI, with all new technology, many of those things will not be used. That how good I was in memorizing the thing, how good I was in writing my paper. Maybe it will not be required. The second transcript is going to become very important, not only in life, otherwise also with this 7C, this is what we are trying to do. And I will request everybody that please think about it. It will be very helpful for our students because they have to be humble, not arrogant. They have to be team workers and they have to be very communicative. Generally, what psychological, even physical problems start when we do not teach our boys and girls to communicate. We teach them to communicate about the subject, but communicate their problems, communicate their feelings, their emotions. There is no way we do not work in that direction. So this is what we are trying to do. And I hope that today's webinar will give us a new guideline and it will help us to strengthen this thought, what I have just shared. And in the last, I would like to say to all those who are listening to us today, 1,000+ registrations are there. And there is a song from Bollywood. So I'm taking a line from there only. Remember, tu jinda hai, tu zindagi ki jeet par yakeen kar. And this is what will make us a winner in this pandemic. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your very motivating words and giving us the formula of 7 C's and to remain humble and communicative. And